I'm John VanDam. One of the toughest things I've found is fishing in the wind. A few baits here that really help maximize the potential that the wind would give you. You got a jerk bait here, has a really erratic action. Side to side, you'll catch multiple species, whether you're just out fishing for fun or tournament situation is really one of those baits that can really help you produce in the wind. Another one here is the spinner bait. This one here mimics the bait fish, and in the wind those bait fish blow around quite a bit and they're moving, trying to find some sort of cover, and it's real tough for them to do in the wind. But with this spinner bait, I think if you mimic that, and it really has real good success, especially when it's windy conditions.